How to recover Spotify account without email or password. So if you don't have access to your email or password and you want to recover your Spotify account, then this video might help you. Make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. Right now I'm at the home page of my mobile device. From over here you have to open up to Google or Safari if you have got iOS device, and over here just tap and search for Spotify contact form. And right after searching, you'll be able to see the search results. Just tap over the contact or Spotify option over here, and you'll be directly click onto the browser where you'll be available with the various articles. You have to scroll down a little bit where you'll be able to see send us a message and message us option. Just tap over the message us, and you'll be able to see this interface. So in order to log in, you can log in with your Google, Facebook or Apple if you have previously continued with this. So it will be easy for you if you continue with Google, Facebook or Apple. You will be directly logged into your account by just selecting your Gmail account or Facebook account or Apple ID. That's the thing. And further, if you have forgotten your password, then you can also go for forgot for your password option at the button, and by doing that you'll be able to reset your password. And once again you can go to your Spotify application, and over there you'll be able to type in your credentials and log into your account easily. That's the thing. So with this step you'll be able to recover Spotify account without email or password. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.